Neutral athlete underway in the international scene since 2014. Junior Championship medals in the team event. Competed in Tokyo. Was 14th in the C1.
Minazova very confident using the switching technique there to complete the staggers on the upstream side, which is a very fast technique. It's not the one that everybody chooses. It should give her an advantage in this upstream to down across the wave move here. A little low in the up.
She's one of 12 athletes who have qualified for both semi-finals. She was the last paddler, 30th spot in the K1. So Vicky Ussa's time of 1:18.73. The standard early here. Minazova, the 5th paddler down of the 30, extends the margin. And we push off the rock.
She's done a great job of keeping the boat speed through most of this course. A little unstuck in that last upstream, but into first position.
So it's a good run for Minazova. 1:17.28.